Hi, today we are changing oil filter gasket. It was leaking the oil, the coolant mixed with the oil. That's why it come out creamy. You can see that. That's the oil mixed with it. That's the reservoir, okay? We find out it was the spot coming out of leaking through here. You can see the creamy spot right here, okay? That's a 3-bolt on this, on the set, but you have to remove the intake manifold. Okay, to do that, first thing, of course, you take out the cover, you take the intake air box and the air filter there, and pull everything out of the way. Then remove this insulation, all right? Pull it right out of there. Then you unhook 2 wires across the engine bay, all right? Unclip that one, then unclip the fuel connector, wire connector right there, all right? And these things, that's the oil line right here. That's, I believe it's 25 millimeter, that kind of bolt on the top. Just loosen it and drop that and make sure the washer is either in there or still on the line, all right, oil line. Once you did that, and basically this is 11 millimeter for the intermagnifier bolt, okay? I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I believe it should be 7. So after you remove that, unclip this right on top of the oil filter housing, and I remove this bracket. So easy to move the manifold. And also don't forget, this is the hot air coming in tube. I unclipped it, remove it, because this one, they already converted to the metal piece. So it's very difficult to move around. Later, I have to click that back on before I move the intake manifold on. Otherwise, because normally everybody else's original coming with the plastic piece. That would be a lot easier to do it. This one is a metal. Look at that. So that's difficult. This, I believe they put in, the last guy put in, it was a new gasket too. But the key is, look how wide is this gap here. It leaked through the new gasket. That's why a puddle, cream puddle right on top of here, mixed with the coolant. Here we go. Look, you put it in, might look good, right? But once you tighten it, 1, 2, and bottom one, 3, the oil might go through it mixed with the coolant. That's why, you know what? The solution would be new gasket, same. But I will add a touch of silicone in the back of the housing, and then put it on. Wait 10-15 minutes before I put it on. I bet you this will never leak again, all right? Will last a long time, because most recently I did the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the valve cover gasket too. It's a brand new gasket was on, but it dripped a little. So I did not like it, so I told them, say, I will redo it. We're gonna put a new gasket, but add some silicone. And after that, they test drive 3 times. Each time is 30 minutes, not even a drop of leaking oil. So that's how you do things. But also make sure this, you gotta raise the car and drain all the oil first. Otherwise, there will be puddle of the oil everywhere, okay? You drain the oil first before you start removing this, all right? Intake manifold, the hose line, the electric cable, the fuel connector, and the line, electric line over there. I think that's about it, all right? Put it back on, it's the same way. Put the gasket, a little bit silicone, put the gasket on, let it dry a little bit. 1 bolt, this one, and the bottom one. Then hook the oil line back on. And that's it. I hope you like this that kind of explanation for this the BMW 2014 335 Xi. Okay, this is the oil. You gotta find the problem. This is the problem, not the other one. That's another gasket here. 1, 2, 3 bowl over there. This is inside. It's not the issue. This is always the issue because look at how wide is this gap for the gasket. This is just too big, designer too big. All right, thank you for watching.